Welcome to Review Rumble. The Best Play Food Sets is probably one of the most delightful toys for kids aged 4 to 8, sparking creativity and imaginative play. These sets offer a fantastic way for children to mimic real-life scenarios, from preparing meals to running their own little restaurants. Through this interactive play, kids develop essential social skills, learn about different foods, and enhance their fine motor skills, all while having tons of fun. Number 5. Cute Stone Kitchen Toy Set. This set has everything your child needs. It includes a pressure pot, pan, induction cooktop, and more. It's a complete kitchen experience for them. The pressure cooker releases real steam, and the induction cooktop has lights and sounds. The kettle can even be filled with water, making the play experience more realistic. Kids can realistically cut and peel the colorful play fruits and vegetables. This adds a fun, interactive element to their playtime. This cooking play set is a great educational tool for role play. It helps kids learn life skills and improves their fine motor skills. It also encourages them to engage in imaginative play. A realistic shopping basket is included for convenient storage. It pairs perfectly with the play food, providing hours of entertainment for your little ones. What we like. This set features a pressure pot that releases real steam, making the play experience incredibly realistic. It also includes an electronic induction cooktop with lights and sounds, enhancing the immersive experience. If you are looking for a kitchen set that provides a truly interactive and engaging experience, this is the perfect choice. It will keep them entertained for hours. What people say. The set includes a variety of foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and snacks. The play food is made of durable plastic. The size of the food is perfect for little hands. Number 4. Kids Cooking Set, Safe Knives and Cutting Board. This amazing set includes everything your child needs to start cooking. It comes with a variety of safe knives, cutting boards, and fun tools. It's perfect for little chefs. The knives are made from wood and food-grade polypropylene, ensuring they're non-toxic and safe. The materials are designed to be durable and easy for kids to handle. You can rest assured knowing it's safe for your child. The wooden knife features cute patterns to attract kids. The handles are designed for comfort and ease of use. It's designed to make cooking fun and engaging for children. This set encourages creativity and hands-on learning in the kitchen. Kids can create their own recipes and enjoy cooking with the family. It's a great way to develop their skills. This kitchen set provides opportunities for children to learn by imitating adults. It helps improve their hands-on skills and strengthens the parent-child relationship. It's a great way to spend time together. What we like. This set is made with safe, high-quality materials, ensuring your child's safety during playtime. It includes various cutting tools, allowing kids to mimic real cooking activities. If you want to encourage your child's creativity and hands-on skills in the kitchen, this set is ideal. It will provide a fun and educational experience. What people say. The set includes a variety of foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and snacks. The play food is made of durable materials and can withstand rough play. The design of the food items is realistic and appealing to children. Number 3. Kids Kitchen 78 PC Cutting Toy Food Set. This cutting toy food set is designed to spark creativity. It helps children explore different foods and textures, making playtime fun and educational. The set includes a wide range of foods, such as pizza, burgers, desserts, and more. It comes with knives and utensils for a complete cooking experience. The toy food pieces have hook and loop splits, allowing kids to pretend to cut and peel. This helps promote creativity, social skills, and fine motor skills. The toddler food toys are made from BPA-free materials with smooth edges. They are designed to be safe, realistic, and durable for kids. The set comes with a unique storage bag, making it a perfect gift. It's ideal for indoor play and can be given for various celebrations. What we like. This set offers a wide array of play food items, including exclusive designs and various ingredients. The cutting and peeling features add an extra layer of fun and realism. If you are looking for a comprehensive play food set that encourages creativity and imaginative play, this is a great option. It will provide endless entertainment and learning opportunities. What people say. The set includes a variety of foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and snacks. The play food is made of durable materials and can withstand rough play. The vibrant colors and realistic designs of the food items make them visually appealing to children. Number 2. GILOBABY Pink Kitchen Toy Set for Toddlers. This kids' kitchen set comes with everything they need. It includes pots, pans, utensils, and play food. They can experience the full cooking process with this set. The set features sliceable fruits and vegetables, along with peelable eggs and corn. The safe knife and cutting board provide a realistic experience. It helps develop hand-eye coordination. This kitchen playset encourages role-play and fosters creativity. It helps with color recognition and social skills. It's perfect for preschool learning. Your child's safety is the priority. Made from durable, BPA-free ABS material with smooth edges. Parents can have peace of mind while their children play. Beautifully boxed and ready to gift. This is a thoughtful choice for birthdays and holidays. It celebrates milestones and rewards achievements. What we like. This set includes a complete kitchen playset with pots, pans, utensils, and play food. The interactive cutting and peeling features enhance the realism of the play. If you are looking for a set that promotes imaginative play and helps develop fine motor skills, this is a great choice. It's perfect for little chefs aged 1 to 3. What people say. Lots of pieces that keep the kids entertained for a long time. Love the realness in the look. The kids love cutting the fruit and vegetables apart. Number 1. Kids Kitchen Play Food Set. This amazing set includes 100 pieces of play food, perfect for little chefs. It comes with everything they need to create their own culinary adventures. The set includes a variety of food items, fruits, vegetables, kitchenware, and even baskets for storage. This set offers more choices for kids to play with their friends. Safety is always the top priority. This toy is made of high-quality, safe materials with no sharp edges. The bright colors and cute designs will capture children's attention. The set comes with 2 durable baskets for easy storage and transport. They can also use it as a shopping cart for more realistic play. Kids can use the toy knife to cut the food on the cutting board. The pieces easily reconnect, providing endless fun. It is a great way to learn about different foods. This play food set is an ideal gift for kids. It helps improve their recognition, hand-eye coordination, and social skills. They will love playing with it. What we like. This set offers over 100 pieces of play food, providing a wide variety for imaginative play. It includes storage baskets to help keep everything organized. If you are looking for a set that offers a high quantity of items and promotes organizational skills, this is a great choice. It will provide hours of fun and learning. What people say. The pieces are too cute and I love that you can cut them and Velcro them back together again. So many different types of food. They are very easy to take apart and put back together and very fun for kids. Colorful and well put together food toys with Velcro that my daughter loves to cut. The details are cool. A banana you can peel, crab with removable shell and an egg with a hard-boiled egg inside. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.